was the Vanta Palace, which was built by Maharaja Virendra Kishore Manikya Bahadur in the year 1917. And now the government of Tripura is going to hand it over to Taj Group of Hotels. So for this reason, today we submitted a memorandum of opposing such kind of which step has been taken, which initiative has been taken by the government of Tripura that no such historical places can be handed over to any task group of hotel, like for the hotels or for the business or for any kind of revenues. Why is that? See, Tripura has a very rich culture by the kings, by the Maharajas and Rajas, has ruled this state for many years. Suppose if we handed over this hotel to Taj, we don't mind. Why doesn't Taj come and build somewhere hotel in the state of Tripura, like Polo Towers? There are many lands for creating the hotels. Why don't they come to the place of Kumulun? Why don't they come to the place of like many places like Agartala? There are many places still. For this reason, we submitted a memorandum to TM, not to take such kind of initiative for the further for the further hotels. Like, see, also we know that as what DM has suggested us. DM said that suppose if we give the hotels to Taj, they are going to manage the historical monuments. We don't mind, and it seems like is a government failure to maintain the cultural heritage in Tripura. That's why you are giving it to the Taj Hotel. That's why I just asked the government to reply in a very actual time manner, to give us a reply so that the people of Tripura not get such sentiments towards it. That's what I would like to request the government.
You are not against the development, but the
right. We are not against Taj, Taj Group of Hotels. Let them. We welcome Taj Group of Hotel, whatever Tata, Hyatt Regency, whatever they want to create. We are not against. But why are you using the historical monuments in Tripura? That's why we are opposing it.